Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Life Source YouTube channel. I'm Leanne, and today we are talking protein smoothie bowls. So let me explain. So summer's heating up, right? And I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for something, if it be a meal or a snack, to kind of cool me down. But I also want something that's going to fill me up and to nourish my body. So I have a tendency to gravitate towards like protein shakes or just like smoothies in general. But here's a little thing about me. I don't like drinking them. I know, I'm weird. I actually like to eat them. So what I do is I make them thicker, almost like think of the consistency of like soft serve ice cream, right? Sound good? So what I want to do is show you one of my favorite. And as we go along, I'll talk about the components of a smoothie bowl and how you can start to make kind of your own. But today I want to make you my Chunky Monkey protein smoothie bowl. Sound good? Okay. So real quick, something about smoothies and protein shakes that you need to think about in general. They can be a calorie sugar bomb because what we do is we have a tendency of putting too much fruit, just adding too much stuff. And let me tell you, they all add up. The calories add up. And before you know it, you're well over on the upside of 400 or 500 calories. So we want to stay within the 300 to 350 range. This particular bowl is actually a meal. So this is actually going to be my breakfast today. So I kind of want to get through the video so I can eat because I'm hungry. Yeah. Okay. So think about that as you're making your own protein or smoothie bowls. Okay. So here's what we have for the Chunky Monkey protein smoothie bowl. In my blender here, I have a frozen banana. Very key to smoothie bowls, frozen fruit. It could be frozen banana, which I always have, frozen wild blueberries, frozen mango, pineapple, strawberry, you get it. But I always have frozen banana. So it's one frozen banana and I don't know, maybe not even a full handful of ice because I want this really thick, okay? So we've got that. Now for said smoothie bowl, I'm going to add, all right, so I'm gonna add a little maple syrup, okay? Not a lot, maybe a tablespoon, if that. I just eyeball everything because I don't measure very little. But yeah, probably about, I don't know, tablespoon, quality control. And then, so it's the Chunky Monkey, and so I like cinnamon, lots of cinnamon. So I got my cinnamon here and I'm probably gonna do, again, I'm eyeballing it, probably close to 2 teaspoons because I kind of want to have you had that Chunky Monkey ice cream that kind of has like the cinnamon type ice cream or the cinnamon swirls through it? So good. So I'm kind of trying to mimic that. Okay, then next, peanut butter or nut butter. I'm just using an organic peanut butter. And again, I'm using about, I don't know, a generous tablespoon. So that goes in. Again, quality control. A little bit of sea salt, a little balance, right? Okay, protein. So we can go a couple different things. So here's the proteins that I have in my house. I got the Vital Proteins, collagen protein, not sponsored, but hey, if you guys want to, let me know. This one's so good, it's unflavored, so you can kind of put it in anything. You could use that. Or what I'm using today is the FNX the Vegan Protein. And this, I have a special discount code, so you can find that down below if you want to check this out. This particular vegan protein powder I love. They also have whey protein powder. I just can't do whey. I have a food sensitivity to it, so I have to go with the vegan. And this one is awesome. It's got good flavor. It's got, what's the protein? We don't know. Oh, I don't know what it has. It doesn't say. Anywho, Oh, here we go. Duh. It's got brown rice, sachi-ichi, and pea protein. So it's actually pretty good. It's got a little cinnamon in it. It's got monk fruit and stevia, 30 grams of protein. Delish. Highly recommend. Okay. So now we're gonna add, I got my plant-based, this is my almond milk. I'm probably gonna do about, again, I'm eyeballing about 3/4 of a cup to 1/3 of a cup, okay? This is key, less liquid. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Now for the chunky monkey part. Now here's where I take the lid off, get my bowl. So you can see, I mean, it's thick. So I'm gonna scoop that out and then I'll show you what it looks like. And it's a good size helping. Okay, a little more, there's still some left. I want it all. All right, so here's where, now I have a little fun with it. Chunky monkey, we need walnuts. So now I'm gonna take some walnuts, not a lot, maybe about a couple tablespoons, and I'm just gonna kind of crunch them up. I'll show you here in just a second. I'm trying to make it look pretty for you. So smoothie bowls, so you can do, I'll try to throw in a couple ideas down in the comments below for your smoothie bowls. This one is like on like permanent rotation right now. I don't know, it's just the combination. You know how we get on our combinations. So, cacao nibs. These are actually sweetened cacao nibs. I do about a tablespoon of those, the only thing I'm measuring. And I sprinkle those on there. And this, my friends, is the end result. My chunky monkey protein bowl. That's the happy dance. All right, so go down below, subscribe, right? Subscribe to my channel because there are so many new videos coming out. And also want to tell you, this recipe is going to be on my new Vibrant virtual platform where you can find a boatload of other recipes all for free. Yeah, the link's down below. And if you want to go kind of on a choose your own health and wellness fitness adventure, join the Vibrant membership, only $29 a month. You get all these different videos, meditation, yoga, fitness, webinars, discounts, Zoom, you name it, all kinds with yours truly for only $29 a month. So check that out down below. The link is there. Subscribe, check out the smoothie bowl, comment, let me know what you think, and have an awesome day. See you soon. Bye.